Good morning, dear students. In this video, we will do the chapter number 20 of your book, and the name of the chapter is Unique Birds. These birds are not so common and have very unique features. ये जो birds हैं ये common नहीं हैं और इनके जो features हैं वो भी बहुत unique हैं. Identify the name of the bird with the help of pictures and hints. Question number 1 is, it uses its beak to make holes in trees. ये जो bird है ये trees में hole करने के लिए अपनी beak का use करती है. The name of that bird is woodpecker. Woodpecker uses its beak to make holes in trees. Question number 2 is, it is the national bird of the United Kingdom. यह United Kingdom का राष्ट्रीय पक्षी है. The name of that bird is robin. Robin is the national bird of the United Kingdom. Question number 3 is, it is a flightless bird. Flightless bird means वो birds जो उड़ नहीं सकती हैं उन्हें हम flightless bird कहते हैं. It is a flightless bird native to New Zealand. The name of that bird is kiwi. Question number 4 is, this bird can eat only when its bill is upside down. यह पक्षी तभी खा सकता है जब इसका बिल उल्टा हो. Bill means beak. The name of that bird is flamingo. Flamingo is the bird that can eat only when its bill is upside down. Question number 5 is, this is the world's largest bird. यह दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा पक्षी है. The name of that bird is ostrich. Ostrich is the world's largest bird. Question number 6 is, this bird weighs less than a rupee coin. इस पक्षी का वजन 1 rupee coin से भी कम है. The name of that bird is hummingbird. Okay, dear students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day.